It's Mark here from Day and Good. Boy, it's Friday morning. We're just setting up to do a big commercial job here in Calgary, and what do you know? Typical Calgary weather. We get all this snow, and but we're here anyway. We're going to give her a good go. We're not letting a bit of bad weather get in our way. And as you can see, I'll show you. Boy, we got 3 of our trucks here. We got our 3 of our most powerful trucks here, as you can see, and yeah, we're setting up to do a really big job here. We're not afraid of a bit of bad weather here in Calgary. We're used to it too, but yeah, here we go.